just one thing I need.
Good morning, Holly. Good morning, guys. Oh. Good morning po. Today is November 11 and Kuyas are not here. They're still in Adelaide. Balik nila is tomorrow. Come on, Holly. So, bigyan ko lang muna ng breakfast si Holly. You gonna eat your breakfast? Your breakfast? Mommy, get your breakfast. Tapos ilalagay ko si Holly sa bathroom. Kasi, maliligo ako. So, doon ko siya pakakainin. Para makita ko siya. Kasi wala sila kuya. Walang titingin sa baby Holly. Right, Holly? So, yeah. Gawa mo na akong breakfast niya. Holly's food. Yes, okay. Ito, yung mga pinaghurmahan ko ng kaartehang breakfast ni Holly. Diba? Walang sayang. Naubos ko na ito, ah. Ito. Maliligo na ako kasi alis lang ni Holly. Nakakabingi, guys, ang katahimikan ng bahay kasi nga, diba, yung dalawang boys wala dito, nasa Adelaide. Kaya, alis kami ni Holly kasi nakakalungkot na wala silang dalawa dito. Hindi ako sanay na pareho sila wala dito. Kasi alam mo naman si TJ talaga nagpi-play siya ng golf. Pero si Zach, first time kasi talagang umalis na hindi kami kasama. Ayun, namimiss ko sila. Kaya alis na kami ni Holly. Okay, naligo na ako after this. Bye! Bye! How are you? How are you there? Good girl. Are you eating? Oh, good girl. Si masarap? It's peanut butter. Good girl. Yummy? Sarap? Oh. Good girl. Hey. Mag-golf na naman siya. Today is Saturday. Honey, I thought you're gonna give the baggie to the...
Yeah, today. He said leave it on there. We'll sort of might play golf today.
Okay. So today. So hindi pala kahapon. Ngayon daw kukunin. Okay, good luck. Ayan. Golf na naman siya. After fishing, golf. Golf gear niya. Ayan. Tapos na yung car. Tapos darating yung friend niya dito. Parang isang car lang yata ang dadalhin nila. Yan yung baggy. So hindi pala kahagabi yung pick up nito. So today. So they're gonna play golf. So ayan siya. Yan, ganyan. More, babe. Okay. Oops, enough. That's it. Oh, you move it again there, babe. Love you, good luck. Na yung asawa ko ngayon naman, asikasuhin ko si Holly. Flakies. Ready, get set, go! Siguro nagtataka si Holly, bakit kaya ako lang mag-isa dito? I know. Dito ako sa Michael Hill kasi naghahanap ako ng earrings for my little girl kasi kagabi na naman, nawala na naman to. So sabi ko, I really need to change it. So yeah, we're here. We're looking for earrings. Yes! Yes, Baba! Oh, you got the camera. I'm looking something na tight. Yung lock. So yun yung mga choices. I like the pink one.
Yeah, they're cute, aren't they?
Yeah. And the heart, it's nice as well. Ang daming choices. Oh. Yeah, but I'm looking something tight.
Yeah. See how they sort of just grab at the end?
It's clicking. So ito yung first choice. Oh, it's blurry. It's not focusing.
But it's so tiny.
Really? Ayan.
These ones are $139.
Okay.
Just hold that up to her ear.
Let me see, Baba. So ito siya, guys. Wait, Baba. Yeah, I'll get this pink one.
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
And can I try this one as well, the cross?
sure.
Please, thank you. So, nahihirapan ako magpili. So, kukunin ko na lang yung heart tsaka itong cross. How much the heart? Is
The hearts were
the heart is how much?
139 and the crosses are 85.
Mommy will just look, Baba. Tingnan natin. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see, Baba. Oh, it's gorgeous. That's nice. You're such a good girl. You are. Look at you, Baba. Ayan na.
There we go.
So, I have to put this.
Yeah, I'll put those ones in a box for you.
Please. Thank you. You want? Lalagay ko na yung bagong bili ko sa kanya. So, wait. Papa? Papa? You want Papa? Wow, it's pretty. Give me this one. It's nice, Baba. Wait, Baba, wait. Let me see. Oh, where's the other one? Okay, good girl, Baba. You're such a good girl. Okay, Baba. Baba. Last one. The last one. Last one, Baba. Last one. Here, last. Papa. Papa. Done. Wait. Where is it, Baba? Ooh. Wait, Baba. I'm sorry. I have to push it in, Baba. Ay. Good girl. You did very good. Hey, Papa. Papa. Last one. Just gonna put the last. Get up. We're done. Yes, we're done. We're gonna go Papa. Papa means food. Like Papa, that's just it. Oh, done. Good girl. Yay. You did so, Baba. You look so nice. Wow. But it even matches your outfit. Wow. This is really nice as well. Oh, I love this. Maybe Mommy will wear this. It's just an excuse for you, but it's for Mommy.
We'll get more.
Ooh, wow. What you guys say? Ta? See ya.
Okay, see ya.
Clearly, some associate and health community for customer assistance and associate and health community for customer assistance.
You shop here regularly? No. Good. Thumbs up.
Yeah, why are you looking for?
The one you can take. Feed
I
me?
think you can get it from that side.
The other side? Thanks.
You're welcome. Dance! Dance! Okay, dance!
At Big W, we care about your child safety whilst in our store. That's why.
Tingnan niyo tong batang to. What are you trying to do, Holly? No, 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 no. Tingnan mo, tumatayo. No, no, no. Sit down. See, you got your seatbelt here. Sit down. Sit down. You're cheeky girl. Sit down. No. That's wrong. No. No, Baba. No. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Where's your other leg? Oh, come on, So, talaga ha? Not yet. Na siya sa cart. Come on, here. Baba, here. Come on. Uy. I'll put you back in the trolley. Come on. I'll put you back in the trolley.
Bye.
Here, come here. Here, Holly. Holly. Baba. Come on. Here. Yan mo to. Ayaw niya sa trolley. Up, up. Please, up. Come on, up. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Are you kissing the mirror? Here, come back. See? Ah, you're off again. Bye. For Mama. For Daddy? Oh, for Daddy. What's this? Daddy don't need this. Holly. Bye-bye. Ayun, nagsha-shopping na siya. Holly, come here. Bye-bye. Come on. Ayun niya pang umalis. Ayun. Namimili siya. Park in the car. Yes. Say yes. Thank you. Come on. Where's the fruit? You're gonna have some fruits. Okay. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Thank you. Yes, please. Yeah. You guys fruits? Yeah. You like fruits? Cute girl. Kuha lang kami ng teddy. Yung biscuit. Kasi I think meron silang honey dito. Kasi paborito ni TJ is honey. So we'll see if they have it here. Meron sila. Ito lang. Maliit. So $3. Kunin ko na to. Kasi paborito to ni TJ. Honey. Didn't realize yung oras. It's already 4:20. Kailangan ko pa luto ng pagkain ni Jan. Ano ko lang siya. Lutoan ko siya ng steak tsaka mashed potatoes. So yeah guys. So I'll see you later. Dito na ako sa bahay. Kaso tingnan mo itong asawa ko. Hindi ako punta sa King Garage kasi tingnan. Tama bang i-park niya yan dyan? Saan kaya siya? Wala siya sa car. How did you go?
They went the longest drive.
You have the longest drive. How many of you play? So you and?
Xavier and Ryan. I'm just going to, I had to race and you got to talk.
Okay. So what you gonna do now with
Take
it?
that to Willow now.
Alright. Linisan ko muna to bago ako magluto. Kanina hindi ko yata ito na-wipe. Magluluto na tayo na dinner ni Hubby. Ako yung mga leftover na lang yung kakainin ko. Kasi sayang naman. Ito siya. Rump steak yung tawag. Garlic. So, ito garlic. So, ito lang nilalagay ko. Pepper steak, seasoning, and then garlic. And that's it. Nakahit na yung oven. Charging. Oh, wait. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
I told Dad today.
Oh, well done. Daddy's so happy and mommy. Yes,
Mom,
yeah.
I did your card for you, Mom.
What's that?
I did your card for you.
Are you gonna give me a card?
Yes.
Okay. For today, guys. What's that? You wanna go outside again? So, yeah, mahaba-haba tong vlog, or I think, hatiin ko sila. Kasi yung vlog na to ay kahapon tsaka yung ngayon. So, yeah. So, I think I'm gonna end it today. I'm supposed to wait for the voice for tomorrow. So, we'll see. Tingnan na lang natin. So, anyway. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Dali, dali. Bilis, 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 bilis. Halik. Halik na lang si Mami. Si Mami na lang. Halik, dali. Oh, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Thank you. So, ayan, tapos na. Tapos naubusan ako ng milk. So, buti na lang. Mayroon ako nito. Trinay ko to. Girl, masarap siya. So, lifesaver ko to. Ayan na. Here, Bab. Here's your tea, Bab.
Thank you.
Welcome. Holly.
My fault, please.
Yeah. Holly, what are you eating? Good afternoon, guys. Today is Sunday. Time check is 3 o'clock. Parating na yung mga bata from Adelaide. So, eto yung, naalala nyo, eto yung dummy shark na nahuli ni Jan nung Friday. Diba sabi ko, ibababad ko siya sa milk. So, yan, ibababad ko siya sa milk. Kung tatanungin niyo ako bakit binababad sa milk, tinanong ko si Jan, sabi, that's what it is. Kailangan daw ibabad sa milk bago lutuin. So, yan, sinusunod ko lang yung instruction ng asawa ko. Bago ko siya lutuin kung ano man gusto kong luto sa kanya. So, ayan guys, closer look. Hindi siya malangsa. As in, hindi siya malangsa guys. Hindi siya malangsa. Nung una hindi ako kumakain nito. Pero kinalaunan, nagustuhan ko siya kasi hindi siya malangsa. Kasi sabi ko, ba't ko kakain ng shark? Hindi naman siya yung shark na kumakain ng tao guys. Talaga shark talaga siyang tinitinda sa mga fish and chips. So ayan. Yung binababad ko na. So hintayin ko lang yung mga bata kasi parating na yun anytime soon. So yeah. I'll see you later. Tapos yan, ibabad ko muna siya. And balik natin siya sa fridge. here. Kuya's here. Yeah. Hi.
Mommy, here.
Oh, what's this? Is this for me?
Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I miss you. Did you miss mommy?
Yes.
Oh, Holly, miss you. Holly, oh, your bag.
You're meant to be getting all your stuff, remember?
Okay, remember? You miss Kuya? Yeah. Yeah.
He had no bad toys.
He had no bad.
Now.
Yes, I got this one.
Where's Dad?
How are you?
Where's Dad?
Did you have fun?
Yeah, where's Dad?
Outside. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's for. Oh, that's for her.
That's a puppet.
Oh, and this is for me. He gave me card. Ito bigay niyo sa akin. Tapos ito. Yes?
Mom, this one's mine.
Oh, and you giving it to Holly. You get that one. Oh,
That one?
careful, Kuya. Oh, you miss Kuya.
Hey, Holly, we home now.
We're home now, though, Holly.
Holly's so pretty.
Did you have fun there?
Yes. Daddy, look.
Were you good? Hoy, you miss? Did you miss your room? Huh? Yeah. Did you miss me?
Yes, Mom, look.
What? Oh, good boy. Yes. You miss Kuya? You miss?
Me.
Yeah, you miss Yes.
Mommy, what up, man? Damn you now.
Yeah, wait. You're in Allendale now.
It's a bit cooler, isn't it?
Next, put my dad. No, you said on start off my dad was gonna be.
Oh, she wants to kiss your Kuya Zach.
No, he did me.
Poor Lyra.
Good girl.
The hand.
No, that's enough tag.
Jack.
Ah,
Me.
yes.
I don't